My dear friends, I Rainbow Twinkle Sony. Today I would like to say a few words about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born as Siddhartha Gautam in Nepal. He left his royal life in search of truth and attained enlightenment under a Bodhi tree. He taught people the importance of peace and kindness and non-violence. His main message was that desire is the cause of suffering, and by controlling our desire, we can live a happy and peaceful life. Let us follow his teaching and spread love and harmony in our society. Thank you and have a nice day. My dear friends, today I would like to say a few words about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born as a Siddhartha Gautam in Nepal. He left his royal life in search of truth and attained enlightenment under a Bodhi tree. He taught people the importance of peace, kindness and non-violence. His main message was that desire is the cause of suffering, and by controlling the respected principals, teachers and my dear friends, myself Rainbow Twinkle Sony on the behalf of class 7C. Today I would like to say a few words about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born as a Siddhartha Gautam in Nepal. He left his royal life. Principals and directors and teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Rainbow Garvit Chaudhary on the behalf of class 7C. Today I am here to present news update. International news. The European Union has warned that the ongoing Iran conflict could affect global stability and fuel prices for a long time. Russia has launched missile and drone attacks on Ukraine, especially targeting the city of Odessa, injuring several national news. The government has issued a nationwide heat wave alert as temperatures are expected to rise sharply this summer. The Supreme Court has ordered regularization of certain workers linked to ISRO, giving relief to many employees. Sports news. Gujarat Titans defeated Royal Challengers Bengaluru by 4 wickets with strong performance from Shubman Gill and team. Thank you.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, निर्देशक महोदय एवं मेरे सभी सहपाठीगण, आज मैं कक्षा 7वीं आज आपके सामने हिंदी इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड लेबर डे के अवसर पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मजदूर दिवस हर वर्ष मई को मनाया जाता है। ये दिन उन सभी मेहनतकश लोगों को समर्पित है जो अपनी कड़ी मेहनत से हमारे जीवन को आसान बनाते हैं, चाहे वो किसान हो, मजदूर हो, शिक्षक हो या सफाई कर्मचारी। हर व्यक्ति का योगदान हमारे समाज के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। मजदूर अपने पसीने से देश का निर्माण करते हुए दिन रात मेहनत करके हमारे लिए घर, सड़कें, स्कूल और कई सुविधाएं तैयार कर रहे हैं। हमें उनके कार्य का सम्मान करना चाहिए और कभी भी किसी काम को छोटा या बड़ा नहीं समझना चाहिए। मजदूर दिवस हमें यह सिखाता है कि मेहनत ही सफलता की कुंजी है और हर कार्य का अपना महत्व होता है। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें सभी श्रमिकों का सम्मान करना चाहिए और उनके अधिकारों की रक्षा करनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
From class 7. Today I present the English talk. Dedication and effort are the key to a better future. I repeat my talk. Dedication and effort are the keys to a better future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Visible thought of hard-working people. A great good morning to one and all respected principals, sir, directors, sir, mentors, and all dear my friends. I am Rainbow Sima Devasi with my co-anchor. We are celebrating World Labour Day.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. With this, now I would like to invite prayer girls for prayer.
He will make a way for me. He will be my
शिक्षकगण और मेरे सभी सहपाठी, मैं इंद्रधनुष वंश आज मैं आपके सामने हिंदी सुविचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। श्रम का आधार है और मेहनत ही असली पूंजी है। जो मेहनत से नहीं डरता सफलता उसी को मिलती है। मैं अपना सुविचार पुनः दोहराना चाहता हूँ। श्रम ही जीवन का आधार है और मेहनत ही असली पूंजी है। जो मेहनत से नहीं डरता सफलता उसी को मिलती है। धन्यवाद।
अद्भुत सुविचार केंद्र। You have the power to change the world if you have the power to work with commitment and dedication. With this, now I would like to invite Dhruv Chaudhary for English speech.
Respected principal sir, director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Rainbow Dhruv Chaudhary, on behalf of class 7C. Today I am presenting an English speech. The topic of Labor Day. Labor Day is a day to honor and appreciate the hard work, dedication and contribution of workers all around the world. It reminds us that every job, be it big or small, plays an important role in building a strong society. From farmers who grow our food to teachers who educate us to workers who build our road and homes. Every worker deserves respect and dignity. Without their effort, our daily lives would not be possible. This day also reminds us of the importance of fair wages, safe working conditions and equal rights for all workers. It teaches us that no work is unfair and every worker deserves appreciation. As students, we should learn to respect all kinds of work and develop the habit of hard work and honesty is in our own lives. Hard work is the key to success and Labor Day inspires us to give our best in whatever we do. Let us take a moment today to thank all the workers around us and promise to always treat them with kindness and respect. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सभी आपने अद्भुत भाषण दिए। Far and away, the best prize that offers is the chance to work worth doing. With this, now I would like to invite Rainbow Tanvi Kolwani for English poem.
Outstanding thought. Hard working with dignity is the foundation of success. Now I would like to invite Simran for English speech. For this meaningful speech. All labors that uplift humanity has dignity and importance. Now I would like to invite Sneha for English speech. Thank you Sneha for amazing speech. Dignity of labor means valuing effort, not judging status. With this, I would like to invite Hemant for English news. For this amazing thought. Respect every job because every job builds the nation. Now may I invite Nagesh Bhati for Hindi thought.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे साथियों, मेरा नाम भावेश भाटी, मैं कक्षा 11वीं कॉमर्स का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं श्रम की गरिमा विषय पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करना जा रहा हूँ। श्रम की गरिमा हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनना सिखाती है। ये हमें बताती है कि मेहनत ही सफलता की असली कुंजी है। महात्मा गांधी जी भी मानते थे कि हर कार्य सम्मान के योग्य है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. Here is today's speech on the theme of the dignity of labor. International Labor Day will be celebrated on the 1st May across the world. And occasion the Punjab government has announced its special vision of the Vidhan Sabha to honor workers and recognize their valuable contributions. Similarly, the Goa government will present the Shram Gaurav Shramik Award 2026 to under 20 outstanding workers. This initiative reminds that every profession deserves equal respect and that workers are the true strength of one nation. Thank you.
मैं स्नेहा खारीवाल आज आप सभी के सामने हिंदी भाषण प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। हर साल 1 मई को दुनिया भर में इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे यानी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मजदूर दिवस मनाया जाता है। श्रम की गरिमा का अर्थ है हर काम का सम्मान करना, चाहे वह शारीरिक हो या मानसिक। श्रम किसी भी समाज की नींव होते हैं। वह हम सभी के जीवन में श्रम का बहुत महत्व होता है। ये वे लोग हैं जिनके बिना कोई भी प्रतिज्ञा, कोई भी विकास अधूरा है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to one and all presented over here. I, Simran, and I study class 11 Commerce. Today I am here to speak on the topic
dignity of labor. The dignity of labor means respecting all kinds of work, whether it is big or small. Every job has its own importance in society. A doctor, a teacher, a farmer, a cleaner, or a shopkeeper. Each one contributes to the smooth functioning of our life. Dignity of labor teaches us to respect others and also the value of hard work. It builds character, self-respect, and independence. When we understand these values, we stop judging people based on their jobs and start appreciating their efforts. I would like to say that dignity of labor is the foundation of equality and respect. Let us promise to honor every kind of work and treat worker with dignity. Thank you.
Today I am here to speak on a very important topic, the dignity of labor. The dignity of labor means that no work is small or big, and every job deserves equal respect, whether a person is an officer or a manual worker. Their contribution to society is valuable. In our society, we often judge people by their professions, which is wrong mindset. Every honest worker, from a farmer to a CEO, helps in building our nation's economy. Mahatma Gandhi always believed in work is worship and did his own task with a pride. We must realize that person who cleans our surroundings is as important as the person who builds our roads. Let us place today to treat every working person with kindness, respect and gratitude. Remember, it is not job that defines a person, but their hard work and the character. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Topic invisible efforts matter. So wonderful topic chosen by respected Ritu Rajawat ma'am. I am very grateful.
Good morning everyone. Student, firstly I would like to appreciate your wonderful performance today. You all presented the assembly topic invisible efforts matter very nicely and with great confidence. Always remember your future is not decided in exam halls. It is decided in the small choices that we make in the invisible actions that no one notices. Now I want to talk about the invisible work, the work that happens when no one is watching, the late nights, the emotional labor and the quiet sacrifice that make all those visible success possible. I am very proud of you, your effort and participation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Kanishka and myself Rimwood Angel Chaudhary from class 8th. Today we are going to talk about how invisible efforts matter in students' life. Yes, Kanishka, success in studies does not come in one day. It is a result of small daily efforts. Students study late at night, wake up early and practices again and again. They solve difficult questions, revise lessons and prepare for exams. Sometimes people only see good marks but they won't see the hard work behind them. Even when students fail, they keep trying and learning from mistakes. Teachers also make invisible efforts by guiding students and preparing lessons for them. Parents support students by encouraging them and giving them a better environment. Always remember, hard work done silently stands long. Every small effort in studies brought us closer to success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Success is not always visible in the beginning, but efforts always work behind the scenes. Now I would like to call Kanishka Prajapat for English speech.
Everyone sit down at your places.
Let's keep the positive vibes going with a motivational thought for the day. May I invite Rainbow Manavardhan to share
Now I would like to invite chart presenter to show their creativity. Principal sir, director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I Rainbow Faiza from class 8. Today I am here to presenting news headlines, international news. The United States is saying increase political activities as election approach. The war between Ukraine and Russia continue with ongoing tension. China is taking steps to improve its slowing economy. Countries around the world are discussing climate change and rising temperature. New development in technology and AI are lapping globally. National news. India is experiencing a heat wave and people are advised to stay safe. The government of India is working on development and job projects. India Railway is improving several facilities for passengers. Sports news. Delhi Capitals have made history by chasing a target of 226 runs. Rajasthan Royals. This is Delhi biggest successful run chase in the India Premier League. Half century inning for KL Rahul and Pratham Nissanka had clearly achieved this milestones in IPL 2026. Mitchell Stark played for the first time and took 3 wickets. Adarsh Sharma and Nitish Rana also made significant contribution to Delhi victory by playing short innings. Thank you.
श्रीमान प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, निर्देशक महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे सहपाठीगण, मैं इंद्रधनुष आयुषी व्यास कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा आज आपके सामने अदृश्य प्रयास पर हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। जड़ें नहीं दिखती जमीन के नीचे, जड़ें नहीं दिखती जमीन के नीचे, पर वही थामे रहती है पेड़ को हर मौसम। दीवार की नींव कोई नहीं देख पाता, पर उसी पर टिके रहते हैं ऊंचे मकान। माँ की जागी रातें कोई गिन नहीं पाता, पिता की थकी हथेलियों का कोई हिसाब नहीं होता। शिक्षक का वो घंटों बाद वाला शाबाश, किताबों के पीछे छुपे कितने प्रयास। रिजल्ट बस नंबर दिखाते हैं सबको, पर उसी के पीछे छिपी मेहनत अदृश्य है। तुम्हारा बार बार गिरकर फिर उठना, तुम्हारा हर बार भी हौसला न टूटना, ये भी तो प्रयास है, भले ही दिखता नहीं। दुनिया तालियों से सिर्फ मंजिल नापती है, पर रास्ते की धूल, पैरों के छाले, मन का डर और फिर भी बढ़ते कदम, इन्हें कौन नापता है? याद रखना हर बड़ा पहले बीज था, हर रोशनी पहले अंधेरे से लड़ी थी। तुम्हारे अदृश्य प्रयास व्यर्थ नहीं है, वो कल की कामयाबी की नींव गढ़ रहे हैं। तो लगे रहो, क्योंकि जो दिखता नहीं उससे वही सबसे ज्यादा मायने रखता है। धन्यवाद।
सच ही कहा है कि निरंतर प्रयास ही सफलता की कुंजी है। इसी के साथ मैं इंद्रधनुष हर्षित को हिंदी सुविचार के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ। India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. This wonderful assembly, respected principals or directors or teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kritika.
And my name is Lakshita from class 8. Today's topic is Invisible Efforts Matter.
Let us begin this morning with positivity and gratitude.
Happy
Principal sir, director sir, teacher and all my dear friends. I, Manya Vardhan, on behalf of class 8th A, I deliver a English thought on invisible efforts matter. Invisible efforts today create visible success tomorrow. I repeat my thought, invisible efforts today create visible success tomorrow. Thank you. सुप्रभात श्रीमान प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, निदेशक महोदय एवं मेरे सहपाठियों। मैं इंद्रधनुष हर्षित कक्षा 8वीं का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने हिंदी से विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। दुनिया सिर्फ नतीजा देखती है, पर तुम्हारा हर छोटा प्रयास तुम्हारी जीत लिख रहा है। धन्यवाद। Respected Principal Sir, Director Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Kanishka Japat from class 8th. Today I am here to present English speech on topic Invisible Efforts Matter. Invisible efforts matter a lot in our lives. Not all hard work is seen or prized, but it is still play a big role in success. Behind every achievement, there are hours of practice, dedication and sacrifice that often go unnoticed, just like the roots of tree that are hidden underground but support its growth. Our unseen efforts support our future when even no one is watching, working and builds discipline and strength. So never think of our efforts is what just become. It is invisible. One day it will show a result. Thank you and have a nice day.
यह संदेश देती है कि हर छोटी छोटी मेहनत से बड़े सपनों को पूरा किया जा सकता है।
जो काम दुनिया नहीं देखती वही हमारे सपनों को साकार करता है। इसी के साथ मैं इंद्रधनुष कुणाल को संस्कृत श्लोक के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ। बहुत सुंदर श्लोक प्रस्तुत किया।
Good conversation builds strong connection and strong connection builds a better world. Now I would like to invite Rainbow, Kanishka and Hazel for conversation.
हमारे प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, निदेशक महोदय, आचार्यगण, मम भारत भगिनी च अस्मि कक्षायाम् अहं कुणाल अस्मि अहम् एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करोमि। दुष्यम् अदुष्यमे यदि भवते मूल्यं दुष्यं तस्मै साकिनः प्रयत्न सार तथा गुण सफले तने दृश्यते। पेड़ की जड़ें हमें दिखती नहीं पर कोई पूरा उन्हीं पर टिका होता है। वैसे ही हमारी मेहनत अक्सर किसी को दिखती नहीं, लेकिन जो सफलता सबको दिखती है वो उसी छिपी हुई मेहनत की वजह से मिलती है। धन्यवाद।
Wonderful conversation.
Next, let's update with the world around us. Rainbow Faiza, please come forward and share today's news headline.
Director sir, teacher and all my dear friends, myself Parikasha from class 11th Art. Today my topic for the assembly is Be the Change. English song. To change the world, start by changing yourself. Your actions are the loudest voice you have. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kayan, for this inspiring thought. जब भावनाएं शब्दों में डलती है तो कविता बनती है। अब मैं कल्पना को कविता के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। अंतर होता है जरूरी और जरूरत में। कभी हम सिर्फ जरूरत होते हैं, कभी जरूरी नहीं। जीवन में निरंतर नए कार्य करते रहे। कोई आपका सम्मान करे या ना करे, आपकी अंतर आत्मा सदा आपको सम्मानित करेगी। इससे बड़ा सुख जीवन में और कुछ नहीं है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to our respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Nisha presenting a poem on topic Humanity in Action, Be the Change. A gentle word, a snow bright, kindness grows in the night. A simple act, a heart of cares. In this world, a rarity that dares. In every gesture, small or grand, kindness travels through the land, touching life, mending seams. In our heart, it brightly beams. This echoes a testament to the good that we can do. In each act of kindness shown, humanity's warmth is known. Thank you.
Principals, directors, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Vivek Gaur from class 11 Humanities. Today I am here to present a general introduction on Humanity in Change, Be the Change. Be the Change is a popular paraphrase of a philosopher often attributed to Mahatma Gandhi. encouraging individual to embody a personal or environmental changes they wish to see in the world rather than waiting for others to act. Key initiatives include the UN sustainability programs, eco-friendly music projects, and non-effort for social transformation, core teams and applications. Environmental actions. The UN's company emphasizes living sustainability such as using active transport, reducing waste, and buying local. Personal development. Often interpreted as taking personal responsibility to change one's own nature. Example, being more generous, kind, and healthy to inspire others. Social and entrepreneurial impact. Program focus on empowering youth and women, fostering entrepreneurship and driving social development. Thank you.
Tidiksha, what is this? ये क्या है बेटा?
Elephant.
और ये
गाड़ी.
ट्रेन. And what is this?
ये साइकिल. और ये कार. और ये बस. स्कूटर.
Very good. बताओ ये? हाँ.
एयरप्लेन.
हाँ.
ये चाची. ये कार. ये बस. ये छोटी.
Very. लवे ये क्या बेटा? ये बताओ ये क्या बेटा? अच्छे से बताओ. एरोप्लेन. इधर देखो, इधर देख के बोलो. जोर से बोलो. वेरी गुड. ये क्या है बेटा? अच्छे से बोलो. ट्रेन. Very good.
With this topic, I would like to invite Vineet for general introduction. Poetry speaks what words alone cannot express. With that, I would like to invite Anisha for a poem. For this beautiful poem. Now may I invite Dilip sir for words of wisdom.